Hey guys, it's Holly, the Twister Sister, here to teach you the art and craft of balloon twisting. This week we've got another really easy balloon design that is perfect to go on your fall festival menus for fast line work events. Also perfect for the new wave of the Minecraft craze that has come back. It's popular again, so you can expect people to be asking you for Minecraft things once more. We already did the creeper, we already have a diamond sword. Today we are doing a pickaxe. Now again, this is a super simple design, so we're only going to need two fully inflated 260s. Make sure you let a little bit of air out of these before you tie them off so that they're not completely ready to bust at the seams and they're a little bit soft. I've got a gray, you could also use silver, you could use a turquoise color for a diamond pickaxe, and then I'm also using this fun new Metallic copper color, which I've been all over lately, finding all kinds of uses for this color. If you don't have it though, of course you can use any kind of brown balloon. We're going to start off with our gray colored balloon, and all you're going to do, we're just twisting these guys, okay? So we're going to fold our balloon in half, find the middle point, and I like to give it a twist where it's the middle. Okay, and now we're just going to spiral these guys. So this is a good lesson in spiraling, and if you're not sure how to do it, feel free to use your knees to hold onto the balloon as you spiral it up. I did that for a long time, but if you can, just use your hands. That's great too. You just want to get a nice tight spiral, as tight as you can. When you get to the end, just go ahead and twist both ends together, making little tiny bubbles here. Okay, now we want to kind of shape this, so we're going to bend it in half and give it some squeeze. And now you've got more of that pickaxe shape that we're going to need. Next, you want to take your brown or copper, in this case 260, and same thing, I'm going to find the midpoint, and let's just go ahead and give it a twist here in the middle. I just feel better when I have a twist there for some reason. Okay, so we've got our balloon twisted in half. We're going to take this over the middle of our pickaxe here, just like this. And then we're going to spiral the rest of our brown balloon down below our pickaxe. What is that called? Is that a blade? Pickaxe blade? The sharp part? Alright, and once again, when you get to the end, you're just going to twist your balloons together, making two small little bubbles. And that is literally it, you guys. That is a Minecraft style pickaxe that if anyone is a Minecraft fan and they ask you for a pickaxe and you give this to them, I think they would be thrilled. It's got, you know, it's pretty sturdy, so they can actually like pretend to mine stuff with it. It's just a fun, fast, easy one. If you are looking for some different options for those really fast events where you've got long lines and people just want to get a balloon, this is a really easy one. You don't need any artwork on it, only two balloons. So I love this design. Now I am the queen of line work. I love doing line work events, and I've put all of my tips for making the most out of your line work events and enjoying them into my free guidebook, which you can pick up. The link is in the description below. Again, this is absolutely free. It's an instant download PDF. You can get it and start reading it today, and then change up your events for this weekend so that they go smoother and better and everybody has a more enjoyable time, and maybe you'll start loving line work too. If you guys like this design, let me know by giving it a thumbs up. I know this is a really simple one today, but it's one that I have clip art for, so you can go grab it and put on your menus, and so I want a matching tutorial to go with that clip art, so here it is. If you want to see more balloon animal related videos, make sure that you're subscribed and that you ring the bell so you get notified every time I put out a new video, which is every Tuesday for Tutorial Tuesday. And I've also been starting to do Friday advice tips. So if you want to learn more about the actual business of making money as a balloon artist, we talk about those sort of topics on Fridays. And as always, I'd love to see pictures of your pickaxe. Are you going to make a diamond pickaxe this week? What are you going to do? Post those pictures in our free Facebook group that you can join. The link for that is also down below this video. Thank you guys so much for watching and hanging out with me on your Tuesday Don't forget, if you have any questions, want to hang out with me on Wednesday evenings, I go live on my Facebook page for Wednesday Replay where we go over the design of the week, and you can ask any questions that you have for me there and I'll answer them live on Facebook video. So I'll see you guys back again next week, same time, same place for another Tutorial Tuesday. Until then, happy twisting!